Look at all the amazing colored eggs we have. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink. Let's see what is inside of these colorful eggs. Let's open the pink egg. Here it comes. Whoa! It's pink glitter. Look at that. It sparkles and shines. Now, if there is colorful glitter in all of these eggs, then we can make our rainbow sparkle and shine too. Let's add some glue to our rainbow so we can add the glitter. We'll start with the color pink. I love the color pink. There's so many beautiful pink flowers, pink flamingos. Let's make the pink sparkle with some glitter. Here it comes. Whoa, that's beautiful. Now, glitter is really pretty, but it can be a little messy. I'm gonna shake off the extra glitter and we'll see what it looks like. Wow, look at that. The pink is all shiny. Let's keep going with the other colors. Let's do purple. Find the purple egg. Open up our purple egg. Look at that purple glitter. Let's add some glue to purple. Purple's a pretty color too. Let's add this purple glitter. There's lots of great things that are purple too. Purple eggplant, purple grapes. Those are some pretty delicious purple things. I have purple fingers. Get the extra glitter off. There. Sparkly pink and purple. Up next is blue. Blue is my favorite color. Let's open up the blue egg. Look at that. So sparkly. We'll add some glue. Blue is the color of the sky on a sunny day, color of the ocean. You can have dark blue or light blue. Okay, let's add the blue sparkles. Here it comes. Wow, there's some small sparkles and some big sparkles. It makes it look really pretty. Amazing. Put the cap on. Let's see. Wow. With every color, our rainbow just gets more sparkly and beautiful. Up next is, do you know what color this is? Green. Let's open the green egg. Look at that sparkle. Let's add the green glitter. I really like the color green too. It's the color of beautiful leaves on trees. Lots of plants are green. There we go. Let's make the green sparkle and shine. It's hard to pick a favorite color when every color is so beautiful. There's so many amazing different things that color is in the world. Okay. Set that on. Let's get the extra green sparkles off. There we go. Ooh, that's so pretty. Look at that. Okay, up next is yellow. Let's see what the yellow sparkle looks like. That's pretty. It looks almost golden. Yellow. These rainbow stripes are getting longer. Here we go. It's very pretty. Yellow is the color of the big bright sun and some delicious things like bananas. Cap back on. Almost there. Got it. I don't want all the glitter to fall out. I would have a big mess. Here comes. Beautiful. Only 2 colors left. Up next is orange. Let's open the orange egg. Check it out. Beautiful. Can you think of some things that are orange? I know one. An orange. An orange is orange. I wonder how they came up with the name for that fruit. Let's get this orange glitter all the way around. This rainbow is going to look so beautiful when it's all finished. Okay. All right. Ooh, it's almost finished. We just have one more color left. Red. Let's open up the red egg. Look at this glitter. This glitter is pretty big. It's going to be really sparkly. There are lots of things that are red. Strawberries and raspberries, red apples, flowers, lots of beautiful roses that are red. Our rainbow is ready for its last glitter color. Wow, this glitter is really big. Get all around. Can't wait to see what it's going to look like. Okay. Let's see. Get this last part of the glitter off. Are you ready? Whoa! Look at our beautiful rainbow. It sparkles and shines. That's so beautiful. The colors, pink, purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red sparkle and shine in our rainbow. It's so beautiful.
Hey everybody, it's Caitie. Thanks for joining us today. I'd love it if you would subscribe to our Caitie's Classroom channel, and I'll see you soon. Woo!